If you're wondering why Bitcoin has started selling off today, December 1st, and actually started selling off yesterday, we have our answer. It has to do with that classical Japanese carry trade situation. Asian markets woke up and they started selling Bitcoin. But what exactly happened that caused them to get spooked and is now probably going to cause Western markets to get a little afraid as well? Because honestly, we probably should be. And it has to do with this whole Japanese carry trade situation. But what happened yesterday is that rates on Japanese bonds went upwards. This is a scary thing to see because it has been super cheap to go to Japan and borrow the yen. And now these rates on bonds are highlighting to everybody that the time for that free money in Japan is over. And that's causing a lot of people to move a lot of money around and causing liquidations in markets across global markets. So if we take a look at the Japanese 10-year treasury note, we can see that it's at its highest level here since about 2008. The 20-year treasury note out of Japan is at the highest level since 1998. And the 30-year treasury note out of Japan is at the highest level it has ever been at. The Japanese bond markets are screaming to the world that the Japanese carry trade is going to unwind further. It is screaming to the world that the Bank of Japan is going to hike rates on December 18th to December 19th. This is going to make it more expensive to borrow the yen. The free yen is going away. Global liquidity levels are going to really start drying up in the global financial and economic sectors. This is a very bad thing. It's going to cause a lot of volatility in markets and probably going to cause most of that volatility going to the downside as positions get liquidated in this global reshuffling of liquidity.